Pattern recognition. It is the kind of Hebbian learning. It is used for recognizing the patterns. Let us see, here we observe the two patterns, that is the one is the eye, this is the shape seen as like the eye, and this is the and this one is seen as like the t value. Okay, they mentioned in the question, that is target is +1 and target is -1. Target +1 for this the I component, and target -1 is for the t component. Okay, this matrix is we considered as the input matrix. Okay, target we consider as the output matrix. Okay, now input I is equal to is written as like that. If the in the place here the values exist, then we consider it as the 1. If the empty place is having here, then we consider it as 0. Let's see how to write this matrix here. Here we consider the space occupied with x, so in this place we have to write 1. Okay, 1, and here y, 1, x, 1. Okay, it's empty place, so replace it with 0. X means 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. Here see, write 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is the input matrix. Next, target means +1, they mentioned in the question. Next, t also same as like we have to write. See, x is here, then we replaced it with 1, 1, 1. See here, now 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now here 0, 0, 1, 0. So yes, here we have to consider it as 0 because it seems or visible as like the T shape. Okay, now here also changed. Okay, don't worry. Now we have to see how to solve this problem. Okay, I T we get means input, input, output, output. Okay, we get it. You see, this is the Hebbian learning. Okay, okay, next see, I is equal to, in the place of -1 we have to replace it with, in the place of 0 we have to replace it with -1. I have replaced this 0 term with -1 here. Let's see. Okay, here also same thing we have to do. Okay, I value, t value, same component, the target value is not changed. Okay, next, in the at the time of initialization weights, we have to initialize the weights as 0. Why we initialize at weights is 0 means generally we have a formula to calculate the weight value. Generally new weight formula is equal to old weight plus delta w. Here output into input, this the same concept we used here to solve this equation. Okay, now see, old value, okay, output into input. Now for this the old value is not mentioned in the question, so we consider the w old means initial weights as 0, w1, w2, w3. Why I considered the up to 9 means they mentioned in the question. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means 9 components I take, so 9 weights I considered here up to w9 is equal to 0. Case 1 now, we solve the case 1. Calculate the change in weights. How to calculate the change in weights means we have to find out the new weights. Okay, obtain the new weights. W1 formula I already told, W1 new is equal to W1 old plus delta W, means here we replace it with output into input. Okay, thus the old value means already I told the old value is 0 value. W1 we have to find out old value plus in the place of W output into input, where we get from the y value and x value. Here we I already told this is the input values and this is the output values. So output for the I is, first we have to find out the w new one weight for the I only. Okay, okay, for y value is 1 and x value is 1. Okay, I am writing here this one only, 1 into 1, this the old value already I told 0, and w2 same 0 plus again 1 into 1 where from where we have to find out 1 into 1 second component, and next 1 into 3, and next 1 into -3, as like continue up to w9. See here, -1 into 1. Okay, 1 into -1, 1 into 1 into minus 1 as like up to w9 we have to find out this value. After completion that we have to find out the new values. We get the new values w1 w2 w3 w4 w5 w6 w7 w8 w9 up to w9. We have to arrange this like a matrix form. Okay, this is the case 1. How to find out the case 2? Why we have to consider the case 1 and case 2 is, for the case 1 we have to take the input I and output target plus 1. For the case 2 we consider the t and minus 1. Okay, okay, for case 2 it is for finding the t value, taking the input as t value. Okay, w1 is equal to same formula, old value plus new value. In the past case we consider the old value is 0, initializing weights, but in this case we have to take the old value as these values. In the previous we have calculated that value we consider as the old values. Then how to get this value? Here, in here what's the value is y into x. We have to write y is minus 1 and x, where here input is this, output is this. Minus 1 y into 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1. Okay, minus 1 into 1 we get it, then 0. Okay, 1 into 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, as like up to w9 we have to write. Okay, the term for I component, the term for t component, both are we get it now in Hebbian learning. Okay, how to draw this diagram? Generally how many inputs we have? Up to 9 values. Okay, x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 x6 xn up to 9. This is the basic model, means it does not consist of, does not consist of a hidden layer, so we consider only. Generally we have to know the basic perceptron model. See, as like only no s, the perceptron model s, same as like that. This is all the weights we get it now. Okay, only one target is available here. See here also we can get the only one target. Okay, okay, now complete it now. Yes, any doubts? See here, once see the complete problem. Okay, thank you.